Meaning of discriminatory.
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 Discriminatory. The term discriminatory refers to the unfair treatment of individuals or groups based on their race, gender, age, religion, or other distinguishing characteristics. It involves the act of discriminating against or showing prejudice towards someone due to their membership in a particular social group. This can manifest in various forms, such as denying access to education, employment opportunities, housing, or public services. Discrimination can have lasting negative effects on individuals and can perpetuate social inequality. It is important to promote equality and combat discriminatory practices to ensure a fair and just society for all.